Saky Steel is produced in Jiangsu. The main production grade 30431632194225. Wire diameter 0.06 to 10 mm. Saky Steel produce tensile strength of 500 2000 MPa. Production steel wire types: annealed wire, hydrogen annealed wire, spring wire, cold peel wire. Raw materials: the long Kingshan Yangexin. Saky Steel production standard. ASTM A580 quality can accept third-party inspection before delivery. Good goods will provide product quality reports. 20 years of export experience. To ensure that the goods can reach the user in good condition on. Welcome to inquiry.